Maintaining a healthy septic, clean and hygienic living environment. Issues like odors, leaks, blockages, and bad smells are common problems that homeowners face. In this article, we will delve into the effectiveness of Septifix, a revolutionary septic tank treatment solution that promises to alleviate these problems and provide a comprehensive solution for septic system care. 1. The 3 pillars of septic tank treatment. 1.1 Septic system repair. Septic systems can develop various problems over time, leading to foul odors and leaks in piping areas. These issues not only affect the functionality of your septic system but can also pose health risks. Septifix offers a proactive approach to septic system repair, effectively addressing these problems and preventing further deterioration. 1.2 Quick repair tips. Blockages during toilet flushing and unpleasant odors near the toilet are common indicators of septic tank problems. Septifix provides quick and efficient solutions to such issues, ensuring a trouble-free experience. Its unique formulation tackles blockages and eliminates bad odors, making it a reliable choice for on-the-spot repairs. 1.3 Septic tank medicine. Just like an illness that can spread, untreated septic tank problems can impact the health of your entire septic system and even your family members. Septifix acts as a potent medicine for your septic tank, combating potential diseases that can arise from neglect. Its comprehensive approach ensures that your septic system remains clean, functional, and safe for your household. 2. Septifix, the ultimate solution. When it comes to septic tank treatment, Septifix stands out as a reliable and effective option. 2.1 Environmental safety. Septifix tablets are eco-friendly and release oxygen, OXY, during treatment. This environmentally safe approach ensures that you're not only solving septic tank problems but also contributing to a cleaner planet. 2.2 Comprehensive benefits. Upon entering your septic tank, Septifix tablets offer a range of benefits. Rapid reduction and elimination of harmful odors within 3 to 5 days. Decomposition and removal of organic sludge, including oils, grease, and hydrocarbons. Elimination of anaerobic pathogens like E. coli and Salmonella, safeguarding your family's health. Prevention of retention, clogging, and corrosion, promoting the longevity of your septic system. Reduction in the need for frequent vacuuming, saving you significant costs. 2.3 Economic and environmental impact. By adopting Septifix, you're not only saving money on plumbing and repair costs but also playing a role in environmental preservation. The treated water released into the environment is free of harmful chemicals and contaminants, contributing to a healthier ecosystem. 3. Conclusion. A bright future for your septic system. Septifix offers an all-encompassing solution to septic system issues, from minor inconveniences to potential health hazards. With its proven efficacy, environmental friendliness, and cost-saving benefits, Septifix is a game-changer in septic tank treatment. By choosing Septifix, you're investing in the well-being of your septic system, your family, and the planet. For more insights into septic tank treatment solutions and related topics, explore our septic tank treatment blog. Experience hassle-free septic system maintenance with Septifix, the ultimate septic tank treatment solution. Your septic system deserves nothing less than the best, and Septifix delivers beyond expectations. Maintaining the functionalities is a crucial aspect of home sanitation. However, clogging issues can arise unexpectedly, leading to inconvenience and discomfort. When faced with such situations, it's important to exercise caution and follow proper guidelines to ensure safe and effective unclogging. This essay outlines essential notes to consider when self-unclogging septic tanks and toilets at home, emphasizing safety, proper chemical usage, and practical tips. Prepare gloves and masks. When dealing with septic tank and toilet clogs, personal protective equipment, PPE, is essential to safeguard your health. Using gloves, particularly long rubber gloves, is crucial to prevent contact with dirty water and potentially harmful substances. The unpleasant odor emanating from stagnant water can cause discomfort and headaches, hence wearing a mask is advisable. This protective gear will not only ensure your well-being but also create a barrier between you and any potential health hazards. Read instructions carefully before using chemicals. Chemicals can be effective in unclogging septic tanks and toilets, but their proper handling is paramount. High toxicity levels associated with certain chemicals demand careful usage. Reading and understanding instructions is vital to avoid contact with the skin, eyes, or inhalation of harmful fumes. After use, storing these chemicals in a secure, high place inaccessible to children is essential to prevent accidental exposure and potential harm. Do not close the toilet door while unclogging. Unpleasant odors and chemical fumes can accumulate during the unclogging process, causing discomfort and health issues. Closing the toilet door exacerbates these problems by trapping odorous compounds within the confined space. To mitigate this, it is advisable to keep all windows and toilet doors open during the unclogging procedure. This practice facilitates the dispersion of odors and fumes, creating a more breathable environment. Avoid mixing different chemicals. Various unclogging chemicals contain distinct substances that serve specific purposes. Mixing different chemicals can trigger chemical reactions, potentially leading to increased toxicity and danger. Therefore, it's crucial to avoid using multiple unclogging agents simultaneously. By adhering to this guideline, you prevent the risk of unintended chemical reactions and ensure the safety of your unclogging process. Turn off the toilet water pipe. Minimizing the potential for water overflow is a practical step to prevent further mess and complications during unclogging. Before beginning the unclogging process for septic tanks or toilets, it is wise to turn off the water pipe to the affected area. This precautionary measure helps control the water flow and ensures a more controlled environment for addressing the clogging issue. Conclusion: self-unclogging septic tanks and toilets at home requires careful attention to safety and proper procedures. By adhering to guidelines such as wearing gloves and masks, reading chemical instructions diligently, maintaining good ventilation, avoiding chemical mixtures, and turning off the water pipe, homeowners can effectively and safely address clogs. These precautions not only ensure successful unclogging but also safeguard the health and well-being of those involved in the process. As responsible homeowners, it is essential to prioritize safety while maintaining the cleanliness and functionality of essential household facilities.